Hi, welcome to Ringo-Media. I'm here to try and help you look after your streaming devices, mainly Firesticks, but we do other ones as well, as and when the questions come up. The idea is to try and keep your Firestick clean, hence the logo there. Keep it clean. We'll give you maintenance tips, good apps, and recommend things like VPNs. The links may include some affiliate links in there, so I may receive a very small commission for some of the links you click on. That's to help build this channel up. It's not to make a living off, that's for sure. So please, help the channel, give us thumbs up, subscribe, and click any of the links if you're interested in them items. Look forward to speaking to you as the videos come out. Take care. Bye.